In terms of connection, I already mentioned one example. You start to connect with people that actually really matters for the things that you're doing and the people that you're helping. In terms of knowledge, I love the idea that Archita and Colin mentioned, which is you are in a process of helping people and adding value. And when you say the value, I'm going to mention this because it's a massive learning that I have here. So when you have this desire to learn and to improve things, you don't need to do it as a drinking from the fire hose, but you can do it in very good stages and organized stages where you start to understand what you do, your experiences and your capacities, and how you can transfer that and articulate that to explain to your companies how you are valuable to them. And obviously you create a LinkedIn profile and a life around that actually people start to see that this is articulated correctly and can be and start to relate to what they are looking for. And in terms of value, that Archita also mentioned and Colin too, I really like the position of listening first. And you might say, good question is a very, very good starting point, but listening, I think, is 80% of the capacity for an advisor, most of anything else. And the reason why is because what I perceive as value, based on my experiences, my capacities, my network, the people I connect with, for the company that you are advising, regardless of the size or complexity of the company itself, perhaps value for them means something different, right? So here's when, right to the example that Colin said with the HR manual example, that they want to create this very valuable in an organization where you have more than 50 employees or more than 60 employees. But when you have a company that actually, or perhaps that size of company that is trying to prove their minimum viable prototype, or just being funded and they need to prove the model right away, etc., what is the value for the organization or for the founder first? And from there, you have your own menu of things that you think are matching that value, and delivering that first is the shortest path to success for the organization that you're advising. So having this kind of awareness of what's going on in the organization, not with you, but in the organization that you're advising, I think is very, very important, because then you ask the right questions, you consider what is the answer, and then from there you pick the 2 or 3 things that are making or moving the needle, as they say, in that organization towards the outcomes. And always, as Archita mentioned, is the shortest path towards revenue and profit. So from planning to execution and revenue, I think that actually is something that you have to bear in mind all the time. So